Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the charger visually and electrically. Look for frays, bent pins, or melted insulation. Once done, test the cable with a known good adapter and outlet to confirm the problem is the wire. Make sure you have a multimeter, a small screwdriver, heat shrink tubing, and either a soldering iron or crimp connectors on hand. Now, cut power and position your workspace well lit. Safety first, unplug everything. Next, we open the damaged section to expose the conductors so you can measure continuity. You should now carefully score and remove about 6 to 8 mm of insulation from each conductor. Do not nick the copper strands because that weakens the joint. Then identify red or white data pairs and ground/shield. Once identified, either tin and solder matching wires with a small bead of solder or use quality crimp connectors for a cold joint. Make sure each splice is mechanically secure. After that, slide heat shrink over each conductor and apply even heat so the insulation seals tightly and prevents shorts. Once the splices are insulated, you verify the repair. Set your multimeter to continuity and test each conductor end-to-end, then check voltage under load with the adapter. Make sure values match expected USB outputs. If readings are good, assemble outer tubing and add a flexible strain relief to prevent future bending stress at the plug. Plug into the iPhone cautiously. If charging fails, try a different adapter. Inspect the lightning connector for debris or bent pins, and consider replacing the cable if intermittent issues persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.